important results regarding this nCr. Now, the first important result is, okay, let me close all this first. Okay, now the first important result is this one, nC0. nC0 is always 1. nC0 is always 1. Let's say 13C0, answer is 1. 9C0, answer is 1. 5C0, answer is 1. And anything C0 is 1, because if you don't choose anything, there's only one way. Just don't choose, right? 8 choose 0. That means 8 things I choose. I don't want to choose anything. So there's only one way, you don't choose them. So remember, the 0 nC0 is always 1. Now the second important result, nCn is also 1. nCn is also 1. So 9 choose 9. You have no other choice. Right? There are 9 objects. You take all the 9 objects. So there's only one way. Let's say if 9 objects, you take 8, you can leave behind 1, or you leave behind this one. So there are many ways. But if there are 9 objects, you choose all the 9 objects, there's only one way. So we say that 15C15, also 1. 5C5, also 1. 8C8, also 1. So you remember these important results. Okay, nC0 is 1, nCn is also 1. Okay, next important result, nC1 is n. nC1 is n. So 13C1, answer is 13. Okay, 9C1, answer is 9. 5C1, answer is 5. 8C1, answer is 8. Any questions so far before I carry on?
No, teacher.
No. Jia Yan got question or not? Okay, no question. Then we go on. Now another one is NC. Okay. NC n minus 1, answer is n. So let's say 12 as 13 C12. 12 is only 1 less than 13, one less than the actual n. So 13 C12, answer is 13. 9 C8, answer is 9. How to get this number at the bottom? You just minus 1 only. This one, you just take 1. This one, you just minus 1, okay? So if 9 C8, answer is 9. 5 C4, answer is 5. 7C, what number is this? 8 minus 1, 7. 7C8, answer is also 8, right? Another important result. This important result says that nCr is same as nCn minus r. Okay, or what is this? Okay, let's take 13C6. 13C6. What is this equal to? So you take 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 is how many? How much? 13 minus 6.
7.
7, correct. So it's the same as 13C7. So 13C6 is the same as 13C7. Okay, 9C3. 9C3, 9 minus 3 is what? 9 minus 3 is 6.
6.
Correct. So answer is 9C6. So they are the same. 5C3. 5 minus 3 is 2.
2.
So it's the same as 5C2. Last one. 8C7. 8 minus 7 is 1. So it's the same as 8C1. Now, all this pattern, all this generalization, you can see them clearly when you draw out the Pascal's triangle. What is Pascal's triangle? This is called Pascal's triangle. How to draw this Pascal's triangle? How to draw Pascal's triangle? Okay, slowly, if you don't understand, you ask. Right. So the first one, you write down 1 at the top. Then at the bottom there, you write 1 and 1. Okay. So finish already. This line finish already. Then the next line, you go down, 1, here put 1 here. Okay. Here put 1. Right. Then you go the next step. You see the two blue numbers at the top, 1 and 1 here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So the number here is 2. Then you go down this side, you put 1 again. This one, you go down, you put 1, right? Then the number, you move inside. 1 plus 2, answer is 3, right? Then here, 2 plus 1, answer is 3. And the last number is always 1, right? And you build up a triangle like this. You add the two top numbers, you get the bottom number. You add the two top numbers, you get the bottom number. And you build up a triangle like this. Now this triangle is called Pascal's triangle. Now this triangle will give you all the nCr that you want. Okay, we look at this one. The first line here is 0, choose 0. Don't choose anything, is 1. 1, 1C 0, answer is 1. 1, choose 0, answer is 1. Then the next one will be 1, choose 1. 1, choose 1, the answer is also 1. Then we go on to 2. 2, choose, you start with 0 first. 0, 1, 2, like that. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You start with that, okay? So 0, now we start with 2. 2, choose 0. Don't choose at all, is 1. Then 2, choose 1 is 1. 2, choose 2 is, 2, choose 1 is 2. 2, choose 2 is 1. Okay. Now we take 3. 3, choose 0. 3, choose 0 is 1. 3, choose 1 is 3. 3, choose 2 is 3. 3, choose 3 is 1. Okay, we go on to 4. 4, choose 0 is 1. 4, choose 1, 4. 4, choose 2, 6. 4, choose 3, 4. 4, choose 4, 1. And you build up the table like this. But you see that this table, the triangle, this triangle is symmetrical. Symmetrical means you look at the first number. Okay, now let's take for example the 8, the 8 one. 8, choose R. I copy down this whole line, then I put here, right? We look at this one particular row. You see that the first number is the same as the last number here. They are symmetrical. That means if you have a mirror, the line of reflection at the center, the number in front is the same as number at the back. So number in front is what? The number in front is 8, choose 0. 8, choose 0 is 1. Number at the back is what? Number at the back is 8, choose 8. So that's why 8, choose 8 is also equal to 1. Any questions so far? How to build up the triangle and how to look for the symmetry in this Pascal's triangle? Any question?
No, teacher.
No. Now, the teacher may not teach you all these tricks, but in the, how to say, in the exam, they ask about these tricks. I don't know whether your teacher got teach you this type of tricks or not. The definition, of nCr and this type of trick, nc0, nc1, nc1, ncn, and so on. If you look at the question, I want to show you one. Where is it? Okay, permutation. I show you, let's say, simply choose one. Okay, okay, right. Okay, so you look at, where is it? You look at this one. Okay, check. Okay, now you look at question number 19. Number 19. Can you see this question 19 here? Okay. Now this
Yes,
question
teacher.
19, they have 7cn is greater than 1. List out all the possible answers. Given that ncp equal to ncq, express n in terms of q. Then they said nc2 equals to 28. Find the value of n. You see, these are the things that they ask in the exam, but it is not, I don't know whether it's taught the tricks or not. Okay, you have to know all the tricks about this NCR before you can answer this type of question here. Okay or not? So now I stop this sharing. I go back to the other one. I go back to the other one, this one here. So that's why it is very important that you know the pattern of this NCR. Okay, right. So the next pattern I want to show you is this one. Okay, let's say 8C1 is the number in front here, but it's also the same as there's another 8 behind, symmetrical one, right, at the center. And this number is what? 8C7. So 8C1 and 7 is the same, right? Both of them, they are 8. Okay, now next one, 8C2. 8C2 is 28. Then you go at the back there, you see there's another 28. And this one is how to get this 6. You just take 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2, you get 6. So the number, there's always another number at the back, right? Last one, 8C3. 8C3, this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is 8C3. 8C3 is the same as this number. How to get this? How do you know how many is it? 8C what? So I just take 8 minus 3. Answer is 5. Answer is 5. So this number is 8C5. So 8C5 and 8C3, they are the same. So actually, what we know is this one. nCr is equals to nc n minus r. And you can actually get all these values by building up a Pascal triangle, or you can get these values by using the definition. nCr equals to n factorial over r factorial n minus r factorial. So you can either use Pascal triangle or you use the definition. After using this definition, you can use the shortcut that I have shown you, and you can get the answer already, right? You use the shortcut. Afterwards, not afterwards, maybe next lesson I can show you some questions where they don't have problem one. They just ask you on this number NCR. Okay or not? Okay, right. So this triangle and these properties here, I already screenshot and give it to you in the WhatsApp there, in the Telegram. Okay, any question before I show you examples of how to calculate the problem type? Any question first? No question. Okay, good. No question. No question. Yes. Then we continue. Okay. No question. Then we continue. Okay. We look at